Have you noticed how simple Stickman animations are getting millions of views on YouTube? They're easy to watch, highly engaging, and work in almost any niche you can imagine. Whether your channel focuses on motivation, life lessons, finance, storytelling, productivity, or educational content, this animation style can help you present ideas in a fun and memorable way. The best part is that you don't need advanced animation skills or expensive software anymore. With today's AI tools, you can create professional-looking Stickman videos much faster than ever before. In this tutorial, I'll show you my complete workflow for creating AI Stickman animations using just two main tools, ChatGPT and Google Flow. To make the process even easier, I'll also be using my custom prompt pack, which contains the prompts you'll need throughout this tutorial. If you want to follow along without having to write every prompt yourself, you can grab the prompt pack using the link in the description. Let's get started. Every great animation starts with a good idea. Before worrying about visuals, decide what your video is about. Your topic should grab attention immediately. Once you've chosen your topic, open ChatGPT. If you're using my prompt pack, simply copy the story generator prompt from the pack, paste it into ChatGPT, if you need the comment prompt, and replace the placeholder topic with your own. The prompt is designed to generate a structured script that's optimized for Stickman animation videos. After ChatGPT generates the script, go back to the prompt pack and use the scene breakdown prompt. This will divide your script into individual scenes. Next, copy the image prompt generator from the prompt pack. ChatGPT will create detailed prompts for every scene, describing the Stickman's actions, emotions, environment, camera angle, and important visual details. These prompts are specifically designed to produce consistent Stickman images inside Google Flow. By the end of this step, you'll have your narration, scene breakdown, and image prompts ready to go. Open Google Flow and start a new project. Copy the first image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Google Flow's image generator. Generate the first image and review the result. If necessary, regenerate or slightly refine the prompt until you're happy with the output. Repeat this process for every scene. One important tip is to keep your character design consistent throughout the entire video. Consistency makes your animation look much more professional. Download every completed image before moving to the next step. Now it's time to bring everything to life. Inside Google Flow, upload your first Stickman image, then use the image to video feature to animate it. If you're following the prompt pack, you'll also find video animation prompts. Copy the matching animation prompt for each scene and paste it into Google Flow. These prompts are written to create smooth, natural Stickman movements while maintaining visual consistency. Generate the animation and review the result. Repeat the same process for every remaining scene until all your images have been converted into short animated clips. Now it's time to create your narration. Since ChatGPT already generated your script, simply use that script to create your voiceover. You can record your own voice or use your preferred AI voice generator. Before downloading each voiceover, listen carefully to make sure the pacing sounds natural and that every word is pronounced correctly. A good voiceover combined with smooth animation makes a huge difference in viewer retention. Finally, import all of your animated clips into your preferred video editor, such as CapCut. Arrange the scenes in the correct order. Add your narration, synchronize it with the animations, and make any timing adjustments if necessary. To make your video more engaging, consider adding captions, light background music, subtle transitions, and simple sound effects. Avoid over-editing. Clean, easy-to-follow videos usually perform much better than videos filled with unnecessary effects. When everything looks good, export your project in high quality and upload it to YouTube. 99% of people never change. Why do 99% of people stay exactly the same year after year? It's not because they're lazy, it's because they're waiting to feel ready. They think they'll start tomorrow, or next Monday, or when life finally gets easier, but that day rarely comes. Here's the truth. You don't change because you suddenly become motivated. You change because you take one small action before your brain can make excuses. Every time you delay, your old habits get a little stronger. Every time you repeat the same routine, it becomes harder to break. But here's the good news. You don't need a massive transformation. You only need one small step. Read one page, do one push-up, save $1, send one message. Tiny actions may look meaningless today, but they become powerful when you repeat them. That's how real change happens. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Create it. Because your future isn't built by what you plan to do tomorrow. It's built by what you choose to do today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the prompt pack linked in the description if you want to follow the exact workflow shown in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.